Reasons why car battery light is on. How frequently do you think about or check the battery in your car? Well, let me take a guess. Never until there is a problem. If you're like most drivers, you probably think more about your road trip playlists than your car's battery. A dashboard automobile battery light could indicate a variety of issues in the engine compartment, from a faulty battery to an alternator failure. But you need to know what to do if your car's battery light comes on. So let's learn the reasons why your car battery light is on. What does the battery light mean in your car? Your battery light, often known as the dashboard battery indicator, is intended to alert you to any problems with the battery or charging system in your car. When the battery light is on in a car, it can mean that your battery is worn out or damaged, or that the charging system isn't working properly. These issues frequently are accompanied by other bad battery symptoms in your car. Maybe the automobile won't start, or maybe the ignition stutters. The engine might produce a clicking noise during startup. Other potential issues include a radio that fails to turn on and power windows that open slowly. When you start the car, the battery light should illuminate briefly before turning off, indicating that everything is functioning properly. However, if the light remains on while driving, it could indicate a low battery charge. Reasons why your car battery light is on. You are using too many accessories in the car. Your vehicle can be wonderful and fun to customize. You can include a powerful system or LED lighting. These features consume a lot of energy. They will consume more energy than your alternator can supply. Keep in mind that the alternator also provides additional power to your battery. The auto battery will run out of power once the accessories have consumed it. After that, a glowing battery light will alert you to the system. Poor alternator. The car's alternator may be broken or dead. The battery won't be receiving any power from it. To inform you of the problem, the battery light will continue to glow. Disregarding the warning will result in significantly more severe consequences. Old or weak battery. If you continue to see this light each time you drive, your battery can be worn out. Most vehicle batteries have a lifespan of 3 to 5 years. That depends on how you manage it. The electrodes start to fail as the battery ages. If the electrolyte is weak or old, it may leak. The battery's power will thereafter quickly deplete. As a warning, this causes the battery light to illuminate on the dashboard while you are driving. Are you learning from the video so far? Great! You won't want to miss out on our future content. So subscribe now to stay updated. Let's keep it going. The battery terminal is corroded. Battery corrosion is the worst thing that can happen to your car, according to virtually any technician or automotive professional. The incident is caused by leaking battery acid, battery moisture, and numerous other factors. Moreover, the battery will degrade in high heat environments. On battery terminals, it produces a greenish, bluish, and whitish form. These components restrict the conductivity of power through your battery. It will be flagged as a problem by your car's computer, and the battery lights will let you know. Wrong battery terminals and cables. Your car gets power from your battery cables, but occasionally they may get corroded or damaged. In addition, if you don't connect them properly, the power flow will be interrupted. In the car, the power supply becomes a concern. Moreover, an automobile fire could be started by such cables. As a result, your car will provide several cautions to deal with the problem. Bad alternator pulley. This part ensures that your alternator performs well throughout extended travels. If you don't service your car for a while, something could go wrong. Enough grease is required for the pulley to support the alternator. The pulley won't function properly and will become noisy if there is no grease or too little of it. Such a problem limits the alternator's ability to produce electricity. The battery lights on your automobile will alert you to the situation. Poor wiring. A car includes numerous cables that allow for a steady power flow. If the wires are faulty or break, the battery could be in danger. Mistakes made when the wires were connected are the cause of poor wiring. Your cables may become brittle and old, in which case the system will alert you to this issue. That happens via the dashboard's battery light. If you ignore the wires, the battery may suffer damage. They may occasionally start a fire. Look at the temperature gauge. This light can appear occasionally in hot weather. It appears after a long drive or when you park your automobile in the sun. The battery in your automobile will overheat and stop working. Moreover, charging issues can cause overheating. The battery light will therefore be on and blinking on the dashboard. Also, the temperature gauge will alert you. Bad alternator serpentine belt. Every car must have this component to function. It spins the alternator to power the battery using the force of the engine's crankshaft. Additionally, it controls the steering, electronics, and AC systems in your car. The consequences for the car if it breaks will be severe. The steering and accessories in your automobile won't operate properly. Check to see if the battery light illuminates. Blown fuses. Though it's hard to tell, your car might have a dead fuse. These components safeguard the electrical components of the car from a surge or failure. Yet when the fuses are overwhelmed by the current, they blow. You will be alerted by the dashboard's battery light. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.